power on, we need the power turned on to get power to our Truma control panel. Without the control panel being turned on here, the Truma control panel will not work. Also, none of your systems in the vehicle will work, such as TV, lighting, etc. Next one down is your water pump. We need that one on to get water from our tanks to our taps. Without it turned on, you will not get any water. Next one down is your water level, giving you freshwater reading, wastewater reading. You'll get a percentage reading underneath to indicate how much water is in. When your wastewater is running out, you will get a bleeping noise to tell you it's running out. When your wastewater is full, your grey water, you will get a reading on that and a beeping to tell you that that is full. Home takes you back. The next one down is for your battery readings. Leisure battery, vehicle battery, how much power we're using or putting into the vehicle, mains current, how much charge is coming into the vehicle, and solar panel will read as the solar panel activates. As the clouds go across and sun shines on the solar panel, it will read on the gauge on there. If it's red, it means it's discharging. If it's green, it means it's charging. You can go left or right, and that will take you into your water one. In the water one, you can go left or right, and that will take you into your battery one. Home takes you back. Top right is your main light switch. You need that one for your lights to work. You have individual switches as you go around the vehicle to switch the lights on and off. Awning light outside, and your dimmable lights inside the vehicle. When LEDs are turned on blue, they're on, and when they're grey, they're off. And the bottom right hand one is your settings. That will take you into your settings for the vehicle. At the minute it's working through Smart Charge. On the Smart Charge system, it will charge the weakest battery first, have a vehicle or leisure. It will then swap over and charge the other battery. As the leisure battery is being charged by the mains, the solar panel is charging the vehicle battery, meaning both batteries are being charged. You can override the system just by touching on there. Now it's all going to leisure battery, but if you leave it on the Smart Charge system, it will take care of itself. If you have a 12 volt socket on the outside of the vehicle for the water filler, that is your switch for turning that socket on and off. Next one down is tank heaters, where tank heaters are fitted on the vehicle. By turning that on, that will stop your tanks from freezing. It will raise the temperature by 2 degrees and then go off. It comes on at +5 degrees and goes off at +7 degrees. Going across, you've got your main light switches are turned on, your awning light and your dimmable lights. These can be worked through the main control panel on the main screen. On here you can brighten your lights by pressing on plus and minus to dim or brighten the lights. Going across, key beeps, that's your beeps you hear when you press the buttons. You can turn them on or off. Water alarms, again you get the beeps, you can turn them on or off in this section. How bright the backlight of the main screen is and how long that screen stays on for. Setting your clock, setting your calendar. And back to the batteries and tank heaters, and home takes you back. Across the top you've got external temperature, internal temperature. Little sunshine tells you when the solar panel is working. The lightning symbol tells you you've not tripped your electric, you've got mains power. Humidity, clock, calendar.